came to America to work in television. My buttons, interaction design, motion graphics. I'm consistently looking for inspiration. I'm really, really good at memorizing visuals. That's like how my brain functions. And is inspiration. We do a lot of laser testing. We're thinking about the RAM Revolution as a second space beyond development. How can people enjoy relaxing, work from the outdoors, even sleep? Present technology is limited, but we had a lot of freedom to think about the future. The RAM Revolution truly shows the potential of what's to come.
Demonstrates how the industry's leading truck brand will once again redefine the pickup truck segment as we know it. Loaded with advanced technologies, the concept delivers innovative features and seamless connectivity that will transform the experience for the driver and its passengers. Ram 1500 Revolution BEV's concept's ultra-modern exterior design represents the future of Ram trucks. Up front, an animated and modernized RAM badge adorns the all-new face of Ram, while the LED headlights feature a new, fully animated tuning fork design. You're also going to see animated LED tail lamps and badging adorning the rear of the truck as well. And a new powered front with one-touch open and close functionality provides additional capability and storage options. The Ram 1500 Revolution BEV concept doors have been reimagined into a grand saloon-style opening that is going to eliminate that B-pillar and showcases a very cavernous interior space. It offers multiple flexible seating configurations and includes a removable center console that can be turned into a workspace with a full fold flat surface. A larger interior and greater cabin length are complemented by a powered midgate that integrates industry's first folding third row jump seats. The midgate feature also incorporates a pass-through all the way into that front that allows you to securely fit objects up to 18 feet long inside the truck with the multi-function tailgate in the rear closed. The Ram 1500 Revolution BEV concept showcases leading-edge technology with fully connected customer experience and advanced mobility features that bring your digital lifestyle with you right into the vehicle. A new virtual assistant powered by artificial intelligence is going to enhance interactions from inside or outside the vehicle, allowing you to use voice commands to do things such as close your windows, play some music, or even have your truck follow behind you at a safe distance while walking ahead of it in what we like to call shadow mode. The Revolution concept also features an advanced augmented reality heads-up display, level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, and even an exterior projector system that is going to visually communicate information and can even double as a mobile movie projector. Built on the new Stella body-on-frame art truck, feel free to talk with any of our knowledgeable product specialists with an iPad or see ramtrucks.com website where you can sign up for additional updates and even reserve your pre-order on the Ram Rev now right on ramtrucks.com. While also on the display, we have two